Hi, for the one who's watching, my name is Fan, and this is my AI-powered SQL assistant. This app allows anyone to explore a real-world database using plain English without writing any SQL code. The goal of this app is to make data accessible to business users, not just engineers or analysts. Alright, so before we ask any questions, the first step is always to connect your database. Users can connect their database using URL. For example, a Postgres or MySQL database that are hosted on the cloud. Once the URL is provided, the app will automatically check and read the database schema, the relationships, the tables, and the columns, so the AI would understand how exactly your data is structured. This will prevent hallucinating and lets the assistant AI to write consistent and accurate queries. So for this demo, I have a locally stored database that is ready to connect. Let's go ahead and hit connect. All right, once you have connected, the status will change to connected, and it also will tells you what tables you have. You can also check the schemas over here, and we can see there are 3 tables in this database: departments, employees, and projects. Okay, let's go ahead and ask a question. And if you ever need inspirations, the assistant will provide 3 recommended prompts for you to explore. I'm just gonna take the first one to save some mentals. All right. Show me the number of employees in each department. Let's go ahead and run this query. All right, it will return a couple of things. The first one is the generated SQL code, the select query, and with an explanation to tell you what this query does. This query counts the number of employees in each department and lists the department name with their respective employee counts. They will also display a table to show you the results. You can see department name and employee counts. And it will also have a visualization included if it's ever needed, right? Because this query produces a categorical breakdown, the departments and their employee counts. So the assistant decided to add a bar chart to make the comparison easier to see. All right, let me show you some other query. I'm just gonna take this as my second example. Average salary by city sorted from highest to lowest. Okay, let's go ahead and run this. All right, so we will return you the select a query, and with the explanation of what this query does. This query calculates the average salary for employees in each city and sorted the result from highest to lowest. And as expected, it will also display the result with the table. But interestingly, the assistant decided to not to include a visualization for this one. Well, because this result is primarily a rank table rather than a trend or distribution, so the assistant returned it as a sorted table instead of forcing a chart. So this avoids misleading visualizations and keeps outputs appropriate for the type of data being returned. All right, so these are the 2 demos that I want to show you. Lastly, I want to talk about the technical credibility behind this app. This app uses large language model to generate SQL, validates it against the data schema, and execute it, and then formatted the output into charts and tables. This project shows how large language model can be used as real-world data tools, not just chatbots. Thanks for watching.